Three things I like about Korea. It's very walkable. That is probably the best thing about Korea. Where I come from in Atlanta, Georgia, you can't walk anywhere. You know, if I were to walk outside of my house or apartment, it's probably just gonna be more houses or more of the same apartment complex. And you walk 10 minutes, maybe you can go to a gas station. The country is very well designed for walking, which is just great. I've lost like probably almost 20 pounds actually by now since I moved here. Not even trying, just walking around. Second thing, the safety. It's very safe here. At midnight, you'll see children, not even little kids, but like, you know, maybe 12, 13, 14 years old, just by themselves with their backpack on, going God knows where. In America, like midnight, many places you just do not want to be. I think a big part of that is here, there's no drugs and there's no guns. So there's never any thought that like, I might get shot. The third thing would have to be how taxes are built into the price of everything. So if something says it's $1, you pay $1. Eating out is very easy because there's no tip, tax is part of the price. So okay, my entree was $15, yours is $15. We just pay 30 bucks and we leave. You know, I love eating out, and eating out in America could easily add an extra 10, 20, 30 bucks onto your bill just from tax and tip alone. So here, it's not a problem. Everywhere you go in the country, that's how it is. And it's like, man, if Korea can do it like that, why the hell can't we, America? It'll make life so much easier. Like, you don't have to handle coins ever. So 3 things I love about Korea: walkability, safety, and how taxes are built into the price of everything already. Okay. Oh shit, that didn't record at all.